stop wasting hundreds of dollars fixing your Google Merchant Center suspensions while the solution is actually simple. If your Google Merchant Center is suspended for policy violations and you are stuck right now, your sales goes down, there is no widget on your site, your product disapproved, and the worst part is there is no clear explanations from Google that you are working on to improve that. And most people think they need an expert or agency to fix this out for them, but the solution is not that much complex. It is a very simple things to do, and you can do it with yourself with the help of this sheet that I'm going to show you in the next part. I have created a simple step-by-step solutions to and this sheet. Every step is explained and every process is tracked also, whether if it's complete or not. So you'll just take it down by yourself. And with this sheet, it is having you are having a Google Merchant Center expert in your pocket. I have worked on different Google Merchant Center suspension for the past 6 years, and I have noticed some thing which is very common in most of the accounts, and I have created this something and put all of my 6 years journey into one sheet that I'm gonna give you today. So this is the sheet that I'm gonna just show you some of its informations, but it is not. I'm not gonna show you the full sheet because it is a paid sheet, and if you want to get access to this sheet, there's a link will be provided. You can get this sheet on yourself to work on this. So here is the basic thing that you need to have on your website. These are listed thing here, and you know that what this mean. So business email must be valid. Google broken pages, everything is listed here. So shipping policy, this is a basic thing, and every store owner do have these things in order to work on this. So the website header must have homepage, all product about us page. Even if you want to category pages of this one, you can add this, but it is not necessary to do it. And if you do have these complex categories or product catalogs, you should also provide here it as well. And you can see the comment is here to be highly recommended, or yes, what I've comment is provided. So website pages, contact option. So I have explained everything in bit details in this sheet, and you can just work on. And by getting this sheet, I will give you an example of winning review template that will you send you through, that will you work on with. And I have also a templates of privacy policy, terms and conditions, and payment policy, everything which work is which are winning, and we have done it and on those things. And we an agency fix accounts and on this sheet, and most of agency uses because they have access to this, and it is pretty simple and everything is explained. As you can see, every type of its common things are listed here, which represent misrepresentations, and by scanning through this sheet you get everything fixed.